Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special unboxing of two LV items that came this morning through delivery. It's a huge box, as you can see, and I'm based in Hong Kong. You'll notice that in HK they use Ferrari delivery services, so I thought that was pretty cool to share. I'm yet to determine whether I want to keep both of the items. So I just wanted to see how it is in real life and whether I actually want to keep them. So let's unbox this together. So you can see it comes with the box, and they also sent the bag. Let's put this back. Okay, so earlier I couldn't see this. It looks like they've only sent one of two items that I bought, so it may not be a double unboxing as I thought. It looks like, yes, they have a return slip, as you can see, to Hong Kong for Ferrari delivery. So if you purchase online in Hong Kong, they use the Ferrari delivery service to send, and even return is the same, and just all of the exchange information as usual. Yeah, it looks like maybe there's only one item in here. Okay, lovely packaging as usual. So let me just get this closer for us to see. Wow, a huge box, guys, for something this size. So yes, they've only sent one of the two items that I've ordered. So here we go, guys. And what item do you think it may be? It's a new bag. So, dun, 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 I got the Rosebud marshmallow bag. Oh my gosh, it's so cute and poofy. So I'm just checking the bag out. It's my first time seeing it. I didn't even get the chance to go to the shop and to take a look at it. So I know it comes with a strap, a detachable strap. And I'm just looking at the lining, and that this top handle can go downwards like this. The rosebud color is in pink. En prompt, this bag is called Marshmallow. And the strap is a detachable strap with gold hardware, and also the leather pink en prompt bag strap. inside has the two code for anyone who wants the code. Okay. The inside is very soft microfiber lining. This one's made in France, as you can see. And look at the detail. Okay. Let me quickly just... Guys, I haven't decided if I wanted to keep this because it really depends on how I carry it. So I will do some mod shots and I might add it to the video. If not, I may post it on my Instagram. You can find me at Lings.Prettylilthings, just like my YouTube channel. And because I don't want to take too long on this video.
This is actually my first time buying on-prop leather from LV, and it's quite soft, so I'm quite impressed with it. And I love the other Pearl collection has, you know, like an apricot, orangey, yellow color, as well as a slight sky blue color as well.
But obviously, out of the three, I would be choosing pink just because pink and purples are my color, my favorite colors. And it's typical for me to add these ones in the collection. Guys, it's really nice. So I'll wait for the other, I can let you know what I got. Hopefully it comes soon. So I also got the rosebud pink mini pochette in the same, you know, colorway as well as the same empreinte. They only came out with the pink in the mini pochette, so I have that also pre-ordered. It hasn't arrived yet. I thought it would come today as well, but apparently it only one item got delivered this morning. So hope you enjoyed my video. Let me know what you think of this bag, whether I should keep it or not. I haven't decided. I might, you know, let one go, either this or the mini pochette, but as usual, it's really hard for me to let things go. So I might keep both, but let me know what you guys think about this and whether I should keep it or not. Thanks for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you love these type of unboxings, do subscribe and like the video. Turn on the notifications so that you know when my next video or my next unboxing of the mini pochette in the same empreinte leather pink will come shortly. Take care. Bye.